A black hole devours a star, then goes completely silent for years. Scientists thought it was done. It wasn't. Suddenly, out of nowhere, a massive jet of energy blasts across the galaxy, long after the meal was finished. For decades, nobody could explain why. Now astronomers finally cracked it. Here's what's actually happening. When a black hole swallows matter, not everything falls in cleanly. A swirling disk of superheated material builds up around it. That disk becomes unstable, like a clogged drain that suddenly clears. The delayed burst isn't a new event. It's the black hole finally processing a backlog it couldn't handle all at once. Think of it like a cosmic digestive system with a very, very long delay. And this changes everything, because astronomers have been misidentifying these delayed burps as brand new cosmic events for decades. We've been reading the universe wrong, which means right now, somewhere out there, a black hole just went quiet, and it's already preparing its next surprise.